Hello everyone, welcome back. We had to take a break. I messed up.
It wasn't you, it was the camera.
The camera didn't like the brightness of the room and it was very bad quality. I thought the camera would look good, but it doesn't. Yeah, at this point, I'd rather use that old ass camcorder. $75. You think that would cover the repair of the typewriter? I really don't think so. We can find a new one off of Facebook Marketplace for cheap. Would you like a non-electric one? No. I mean, it'd be loud, but I would like one, yeah. The electric ones are just as loud, though. Especially that old one that you had. Sounded like a little plane taking off. Swallow the gum or spit it out so you can talk to the people.
It's spinning. The head can spin.
Because that's what the guy who inspired us to do it does. He talks to the people about what he does.
The beak on it.
He talks about his life and what he's doing as well while he builds. I wish Lego would send us stuff to test.
Yeah, me too.
I think you can actually sign up to do that.
I think this is one of the wings. I'm not talking about chicken wings, but I could go for some chicken wings right now.
We went to Buffalo Wild Wings last night while you were gone. I played Herb Alpert Rise, and I played Another Day in Paradise. And then we left. Damn.
It's actually really nice.
And I got it for free with my points, so thank you, Lego. But we should get more points for each booklet compared to the price of the set. Because there's a set that I'm going to do in a minute, which is the Model T, and that was like $115, and it just came out, and I think should be more points compared to the amount of money that you spent on it, like $115 worth of stuff in points for the Lego set, or maybe just $100 worth of stuff in points, because to be honest, it's like 20 points isn't enough per thing. When you're building it, build it on the table so they can see what you're building.
Yeah, we were gonna film with the camera, but it was just like, dang. The quality was bad.
We're gonna move them to this tripod and see how that works.
Can move its,
Hold this.
can flap its tail. Can move its tail. Yeah, if you guys want to see Minecraft videos, we can do that.
Here. Let's see how this looks. It's pointed at you.
And that was set 30,581. Tropical parrot. Came with 66 pieces.
It's not as good.
It's a Creator 3-in-1.
But it makes you feel far away, so I think I like that.
To be honest, it took a while for it being 66 pieces.
Should I keep it on this one then? I think it looks better on this one, but
Yeah.
help me. You're drunk.
Boom. We're gonna make this a short video.
There's only like 5 or 6 minutes.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get another Coke.
Okay. Well, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.